It's me. Yep, I'm in my van. So, silly me, I spent all day yesterday putting together this cooler cover that I made with the help of my mom also. I have a previous video where I showed how I made the top of the ice chest, the top cover. But I hadn't finished showing or doing the bottom part, and I actually got it all done and didn't even videotape what I was doing. So silly me. So I'm going to share with you right now the process and try to explain what I have done and finish up, videotape finishing it up. So here it is. If you watched my other video, I showed how I made this using Reflectix and an old sheet, and just cut it and stapled and sewed this on. And here is the ice chest. And yesterday my mom sewed, I was trying to be resourceful and reuse some old material, and I didn't have enough, so I pieced it all together. My mom sewed the pieces together, and then I folded it here, and I hand sewed all these together to wrap it sort of like a gift, sort of gift wrap style, and it's covering the Reflectix. And then I put, I don't know if you can see, Velcro, so that if I need to take it off and wash this part, I can wash this part and clean up this, and then put it back on with the Velcro. And then I'm Velcroing the whole Reflectix to the ice chest. So here is where this is some really strong, this stuff. If you need strong Velcro, this is it. This stuff is so strong, I almost can't get it off. So I'm taking this off. So I want to take the whole ice chest out of the Reflectix cover. I can take the whole ice chest out. So like if I'm going to have it outside, I can take it right out of this thing and lift it right up out of this thing and put it outside without having to take this out and getting this all dirty. So then I just, and this stuff's so hard, you have to push really hard to get it to Velcro in. I'll show you what it looks like with this stuff. This is like the best Velcro type stuff I have ever had. The black Velcro that I have on here is pretty strong. It's pretty good stuff. I think it's by the same company. But it's not as strong as this stuff. For some places in my van, things don't stick well, so I end up using this, and this stuff works really well. Sometimes for my carpal tunnel, it works a little too well. So that's what I'm making, and I will show you, put the rest of the Velcro on and put it all together. But when it's in the van, that's how it's going to look. So instead of the plain red ice chest that's underneath, I have a cover, and it insulates the ice chest, so things should stay cooler. It'll keep the cool in and not let the heat in. Another video and give you another view of my, I guess I could take my garbage off of there. I don't need to see that. And there's my homemade ice chest cover. My homemade insulated ice chest cover. Again, it's the Reflectix covered with material, and then I can use it for a seat or a table, and it just looks nicer than a plain old ugly ice chest sitting there. It's pretty big, so. And there's my van. I'm slowly getting it ready for a short trip this weekend to go to my new grandbaby's baby shower. And here you can see this is my, I'm going to use my fan, put my supplies. So when I fix something in here, now I have garbage to throw away, and I can put this stuff back in the drawer for another repair, and my scissors. And that's where all my stuff is to fix things. And I put my little, I love this little light. So I got this little light at Big Five. And it just is that setting. You can have it kind of flickering. And it has different settings. There. And it hangs up. I like to hang it right here. Oops. And it's still on. I thought I turned it off. Okay, now it's turned off. There's my little hanging light for my, I can look in the ice chest at what I'm trying to get. And yeah, when I have this surface, my toilet is in here. And I put my new cup over there. I have a package to return. I got my new travel cup. It's 12 volt, and I can keep my coffee or tea warm while I'm driving. I will see you in the next video. Hi, I just remembered. This is what happens to my hair when I crawl around inside the van. I thought I would give you a little short video. I wanted to give a shout out to Chrome. I was watching his video and he was talking about when you're parking, like stealth camping on the side of the road. He pointed out that roads are often curved so that the water runs into the gutter. Thanks, Chrome. Van City Van Life. Check him out. He's in Canada and he's got a pretty cool rig and he goes on some great adventures. Anyway, he had the tip of making sure that your pillow, that you sleep with your head on the left side of your van, the driver's side, and your feet on the passenger side if you're sleeping long ways, which is how I have my bed. I'll show you. So currently, I can't make my video on here any smaller. It's so small in here. Anyway, so this is how I currently have my bed set up, and I was gonna sleep with my head on that end. That's why I have the reading light, and that table fits so good right there, but that's okay. That table can stay there, and because I can also use this as a table, so I could switch things around, which means I have to switch around my so I had this up here for my entertainment, so I'm gonna have to put this over here on this handle and move my reading light over here somewhere. with my reading light somewhere over here, and I also will have to move my fire extinguisher to the other side as well. So I have to unhook all that because it's bungeed in. So I'm going to switch my bed direction around because this is my bed. I sleep one long ways that way. So here is my bed in sleep mode, the new sleep mode. So my head will be up there. I still need to hook up my reading light up there. And then my feet will be on this end. There's the fire extinguisher in case I need it. And yeah, this might be better anyway. I'll have more room for my arms. I was a little concerned I would hit myself, my elbow and stuff on that table. So, and now I could show you what it would look like if I put up this table. Now that I don't have pillows in the way. Oh, and these pillows, they look decorative when I'm not going to be sleeping, but they actually have, one has an extra blanket, the other one has extra sheets and blankets are all in those pillowcases. And here is the table in the up position. Tuck that in there so that's not in the way. Here's my table. So I have a table to set things on. I want to put something on the table there. And I have my holder set up for my iPad and cell phones, and my fan and my fairy lights. And I think I'll hook this up here for a reading light, and then I'll show you. There I am, and bed mode if I want to kind of sit up a little and watch a movie or a show and relax. And when I want to go to sleep, I just take this pillow out and put it on the other side. Now I am in complete bed mode, and I could go to sleep just like this. Yes. And my feet go on the other end. And there I am. Put the pillow up against here so I don't whack my ankle or foot on that. And I could, mostly I like to sleep on my side. I'm mostly a left side sleeper anyway, so this actually works out. So I sleep like this. I usually have a pillow between my legs. So that is my new sleeping setup.